Before attempting a firmware update, please connect to your Wi-Fi or data network. At the startup page, please make sure to select the correct model of CineEye. For this example, we are updating a CineEye 2S. Locate and tap the settings icon. Select firmware from the drop-down list. Follow the on-screen prompts and continue to download the firmware update. Once the firmware is downloaded and you see this prompt, connect your device's Wi-Fi to the CineEye. It is important to make sure that the battery powering your CineEye is above 50% and do not power off the CineEye during the update process. The CineEye will restart as part of the update process. Your CineEye is now ready to use.